Hello guys, my name is Michael Sanchez and today I will be presenting the new MacBook Pro 14. What we have here is a beauty. Originally I had made a video earlier this past week about the MacBook Pro 13 inch and why I got it. But then I clearly wasn't thinking because 256 gigabytes is nothing. I mean, our iPhones are starting at 128 gigabytes if you have a Max Pro. I mean, not everyone has it, but my point is that demand for more storage is needed, and 256 gigabytes, it's not gonna cut it for me. And I'm gonna be using it mostly for school and simple stuff like Word documents and such, but I still do things at home. I have photos on the cloud and other stuff, and I download apps, I watch Netflix, I have things running. Not the most productive things like Photoshop, so if you're expecting that, this is not your video. So next channel probably. But I'll probably be, for the average guy like myself, what I consider myself the average, it's MacBook Pro 14, 512 gigabytes. That should do it. I mean, one terabyte would have been nice, but price gets steeper and steeper, and I think this is where I can meet perfectly. I figure it's a $500 difference at that point between MacBook Pro 13 if I were to upgrade the storage to 512. And a lot of you guys are probably asking, like I did myself, should I just go for the 13 or the 14? Fucking do the 14. I mean, if you're gonna spend it on MacBook, might as well just update to the newer thing. Sure, it might not be the most advanced chip yet. There will be more, but it's the most currently advanced chip right now. Sure, it's not the Pro Max. Say stamp sealed, COVID proof. No, again, funny. But this baby looks nice, enticing. It's heavier. It's definitely heavier. Half a pound they claim. You can still feel it. I mean, and when you're carrying this thing around, it adds up. However, from what I've heard and read online, and trust me, I've watched like a myriad of videos. I lost count after 20. And I've gone over the pros and cons of them, and there's more pros to cons of this 14 inch. It's a great start. They finally added the HDMI cord or input cable thing that was supposed to be there a while ago. So with that started, let me get the sucker up, okay? So for those that don't know me, I'm a Windows user and always have been. I enjoy them. They're simple. I'm not honestly the brightest person, so learning the MacBook system is going to be a challenge, but I think it's going to be worth it since I have a iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad where I take notes sometimes, and just in general I like their system on their iPhone. I'm very familiar with the iPhone, and I think I know most of the things that there is to know about an iPhone, but if you guys don't think I do, then please let me know. So with this one, let's quit stalling, alright? Let's open this sucker up. So they have the nice appeal here. And this is always, I think it's such a gimmick, but it's pleasant. Well, maybe not so pleasant, but it opens nicely and smooth, you know? The packaging. I mean, after you're paying fucking $2,000 for this thing, it better open like that, you know? So with that out of the way, we have our MacBook Pro 14 inch. Apparently has like the best sound ever on a laptop, and this thing has a lot of pressure. I think it's not coming off as nicely as it should. I think they need to work on that. Apple, we're paying good money for this shit. Please step it up. By the way, I would like to thank the store associate that helped me out. She was very kind, and I did a trade-in from an older Intel 5 that I had on a MacBook Pro 13 inch. That was not an M1, but it was an Intel Core 5. Long story short, there was a flaw with my laptop, and she was kind enough to own up to the store associate's mistakes, and long story short, she came through clutch. That's why I'm making this video. She's making it happen. She's my sponsor. No, okay. Nicole's my sponsor, but we'll get into that later. So, this MacBook, nice, sturdy, I like it. It looks rigid. The other one looked a little flimsy, like, can it operate? No, I'm kidding, but it's good. Either way, Apple is Apple. I love them. I love this new thing, though, the new charger. Well, it's not so new, right? They went back to the old. But hey, you can't go wrong with the old. It's classic, timeless piece. We have the design Apple in California, made in China, usual, or Vietnamese when it comes to AirPods. By the way, I have some, and let me speak on that. The Vietnamese quality didn't seem to be as good as the Chinese quality from my prior AirPods. The stickers are nice. I think the M1 had like the silver plated stickers, but I do dig this. I'm surprised they're throwing them in. They didn't give them the last iPhone I had, 12 Max Pro, but I think that's it. Guys, if you guys can tell, I'm pretty excited about this. I geek out over little things, and gotta love it, man. Gotta enjoy the little things or the big things. But they're throwing this one. I think they should you're paying over a grand plus. They should just give you the damn 96 watt or whatever it is. I mean, come on, Apple. We're getting you right. Your stock's doing better than it should be. But this thing is nice, so I always like this. It's a nice, pleasant experience. And I have it backwards again. If you guys watched my video from last week, you guys can tell. But it's nice, man. It's a clean. Finally decided to go with the silver. It's just more. It's classy, timeless. Going back to the roots. It's nice, sturdy. When you look at it, wow, the sound, you can already tell the difference. So let's see how this thing comes off. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Nice. I gotta get that polished apple. No, okay, I ain't paying no damn $20 for it. But if you guys want to sponsor me, I'll be more than glad to send you my address. So same thing. Keyboard looks consistent. Let's go with English. I also speak Spanish. If you guys have any comments about that, please let me know. Where are we right now? Yeah, not US. Versions, United States. And enter. Okay, that won't work either. Continue. Just not now. Okay, guys, this is my Wi-Fi, so sorry, can't do it. I'm still getting used to typing on this thing, by the way, because coming from Windows is just a whole different experience. I wouldn't say better, but it's definitely a different experience. And I think I typed in my password, Wi-Fi password, right? Let's hope so. But you can definitely tell the finish. I mean, you're paying money for this thing. They better have a good finish on this thing. It's sturdy. Definitely has the ports. That's beautiful. HDMI port. Apple, they finally heard us. Well, actually, I would never ask for that crap, but it's nice, you know. For the price that they're charging, they should definitely freaking put in the USB in there too, maybe, no? Okay, but one step at a time, right? So I don't know what's happening with it's just taking forever to load. Should I migrate? No, not now. We'll migrate later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in with my Apple ID. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Oh shit. I gotta accept it. Allow it. And alright guys, we're back to business. Ish. Hold on. You agree to the Apple things. I always thought that was kind of strange. I feel like no other computer has made me do that. Maybe I'm just so used to doing it. Hmm. Gotta make a new password.